satellite dish here. An RO softener, Craftsman garage opener, earthquake straps, and a pan. We have solar screens, screen door that looks in good condition, tile. So these are the same blinds we use, just patching the paint in a couple of areas. Quartz counters, upgraded cabinets, modern pulls, undermount sink, gooseneck faucet. So this is fake grass, which just means lower maintenance. Okay, that has a lock on it, but we can make sure it's empty by requiring them in the offered. Maybe include a junking budget just in case. In case we can get rid of that gate. Okay, so looks like they dog-proofed that side. Okay, so we have solar screens on the slider as well. Okay, I'm gonna take my socks off. I feel really bad. I mean, my shoes off. So we have really cute upgraded doors. Nice upgraded fan, closet door guides, closet doors match these doors, which is great. Blinds look new, and we have a closet rod. So in this bathroom, no, you're good. Sorry. We have beautiful stone sink, beautiful stone counter, undermount sink, the same cabinets as in the kitchen. There's a shower rod, and the caulking actually looks good in the shower. So again, the closet or linen closet sliders match the rest of the doors. Some built-ins. The washer and dryers right off of the garage. The paint is a gray. It's a nice size room. Upgraded fan. Everything looks great. Okay. Nice high baseboards. We have closet door guides and closet rod. That's that.